Hello everyone. So if you have applied for PhD admission for session 2025-26 at Hemwati Nandan Bahuguna Garhwal University and are waiting for your interview call letter, then this video is especially for you. The university has now officially started releasing department-wise interview call letters, and interview have begun for several departments. In this video, I will share the latest official updates, the exact interview dates announced so far, important documents you need to carry, special instructions issued by different departments. Before moving ahead, let me clarify one important point. These interview call letters are not only for candidates who qualified through the PhD entrance examinations, but also for the candidates belonging to the exempted category. So if you are eligible through UGC NET, UGC CSIR NET, JRF, or any other national level examination recognized by the university, you are also required to appear for the interview. The interview is common for both exempted and non-exempted candidates. The only difference is that exempted candidates have to carry their valid national level examination scorecard, while non-exempted candidates must carry their PhD entrance examination scorecard during document verification. The official interview letter clearly mentioned these requirements. Now let's talk about the interview schedule released so far. The Department of English has officially announced its interview schedule. According to the call letter, candidates have to report on 6th of August 2026 at 9 a.m. and the interview will begin from 10 a.m. onward at the Department of English 3rd floor ACL building Birla campus. Candidates have been instructed to bring their interview call letters, online application form, original educational certificates, identity proof, category certificate wherever applicable, photographs, and an outline of their research proposal. The Department of Psychology has also released its interview notice. As per the notice, candidates are required to report on 7th of August 2026 at 9 a.m. and the interview will start on 10 a.m. onward. This clearly shows that HNV NGU has started conducted PhD interview department by department rather than following a common schedule for all subjects. Another update is from the Department of Geography. The Geography Department has released its official interview call letter. According to the notification, candidates have to report on 10th of August 2026 at 9 a.m., while the interview will be conducted on 10 and 11th of August 2026 at the Department of Geography Choras campus. One special instruction mentioned by the Geography Department is that candidate must bring 3 hard copies of their research proposal along with PowerPoint presentation of more than 6 slides. Not more than 6 slides, sorry. The presentation should include the title of the study, statement of the problem, literature review, objectives, methodology, and expected outcomes. Even if your department has not specifically asked for presentation, preparing a short PPT in advance can be beneficial because it helps you explain your research proposal confidently if the interview board asks you to present it. Now comes the question that many students are asking, what about the Department of Education? As of now, the Department of Education has not released its official interview call letter. However, if we observe the pattern of the interview released by the university, English on 6th, Psychology on 7th, and Geography on 10th and 11th, it appears that interviews are being conducted sequentially on a department-wise basis. Therefore, it is expected that the Department of Education interview may be held around 11 or 12th of August 2026. But for confirmation, candidates should contact the Department of Education directly and continue checking the official university website and department notice board for the latest notification. Before concluding, make sure that all your documents are ready well in advance. Carry your original certificates along with photocopies. Keep your research proposal well prepared. Revise your master subject thoroughly and be ready to answer questions related to your research topic, objective research methodology, literature review, and the significance of your proposed study. A confident presentation and a clear understanding of your research area can make a strong impression during the interview. Thank you, and that's all for today's update.